This was the last time the world saw Saif Gaddafi. A once flamboyant figure, he's now been in solitary confinement for 20 months. Facing allegations of war crimes and crimes against humanity, his legal team say he may go on trial in Libya within weeks and not be handed over to the International Criminal Court at The Hague, which Sky News understands is where his family want him transferred. His barrister John Jones believes trial in Libya will lead to the death sentence, and with time running out, he's called on the British government to intervene.
Having a show trial in Libya and executing Saif Gaddafi would be a complete violation of the ICC orders. So it's logical and right, and I would say a moral and legal obligation on the UK to intervene. As I say, a supporter of the ICC, as a permanent member of the Security Council, and as one of the countries most involved in Libya currently, in investment in Libya and nation building in Libya.
This is where the ICC wants Saif Gaddafi to go on trial. The Hague is where some of the world's most notorious leaders have ended up, such as Slobodan Milosevic, the former president of Yugoslavia. But getting him here is more complex than simply negotiating with the authorities in Tripoli. After going on the run following the fall of Tripoli, Saif Gaddafi was captured by rebels in November 2011 and flown to the city of Zintan. He's remained there ever since, with militias refusing to hand him over to officials in the capital. The fighters holding Saif Gaddafi have pledged he will get a fair hearing. The most likely scenario now is a trial in Zintan, with a high-profile Libyan judge involved to try to give credibility to the proceedings. The ICC is yet to be satisfied by Libya's ability to stage the event.
Libya was not clearly capable of having control over all its territories, that Mr. Saif Islam Gaddafi has not been transferred from Zintan to Tripoli, that there is no legal representation of him on the national level, and that the operation of gathering the evidence and protecting the witnesses and the victims is not fully secured at this moment.
This was Saif Gaddafi during the Libyan uprising. He was described as being his father's de facto prime minister, something he denies. Saif Gaddafi was certainly the articulate Western face of his father's regime. NATO turned on him, and Britain once did deals with him. Now Britain is being asked to help Saif Gaddafi once more, this time to get a fair trial. Lisa Holland, Sky News in The Hague.